In this video, I'll detail how to get the App Store back on your iPhone or iPad. So if you have an iPhone and you discover that whenever you want to update or use the App Store on your iPhone, the App Store will be unfixable. Even when you use the Spotlight search to search for the App Store application on your iPhone, you discover that the App Store is only available on the settings page, like this. So here, I'm going to show you how to get the App Store back to your iPhone home screen when you couldn't find it. So if you're none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, all you need to do here is you first want to go to the App library and search for App Store. If the App Store is available on your App library, you can just press and hold it like this and then drag it out of the App Store like this and then drag it to your iPhone home screen. But if the App Store is not available on your App library, then this is what you need to do. Just go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on screen time. Then under screen time, scroll down a bit, click on content and priority restrictions. Then make sure this is enabled. If it is disabled, enable that. Now once you've enabled content and priority restrictions here, there are a few options you need to toggle on to bring back the App Store to your iPhone. Then come to iTunes and App Store purchases. Then here, check stop purchases and redownloads and make sure installing apps, deleting apps and in-app purchases are all set to allow or enabled. So set all this to allow. So once they are all set to allow, you can just come to require password and set this to whatever you like. Then after that, then you can just go back to your iPhone home screen. Then you should be able to see the App Store again. If you come to Spotlight search and search for App Store, then you should be able to see the App Store. You see that? Or better still, if you go to your iPhone App library, come here, you should see the App Store. Or when you search for it, the App Store will be available. So that is basically how to get the App Store back on your iPhone or iPad. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.